So people come up to me, I get asked the question, if you only had 30 days and I needed to make 10 G's like ASAP, is that possible? Is that something I can do? You always talk about making money online. Can I make $10,000 online? And here's the caveat, with a small YouTube channel. And the answer is before I answer that question, I just want to let you know that YouTube is probably one of the most powerful platforms on planet Earth because it incorporates video. Long form, short form videos are catching up. If you don't know what I'm talking about, don't worry about it. Completely irrelevant at the moment. But YouTube is the second biggest and most powerful search engine next to Google. And I was making faces and stuff because I was about to burp and it didn't come out. So if you're not on YouTube, whether you're trying to be an influencer or a business, whatever the case may be, you need to be on this joint because it is freaking powerful and you're missing out on a ton of money. Now back to what I was talking about, 10 G's in 30 days on YouTube with a small channel. It is possible. It is very possible, but you have to follow these simple little steps. I have about 4 or 5 steps for you to follow. I may add a bonus on there, but you have to stay tuned in order to watch out. So let's go ahead and jump into it. The first thing you need to do is you need to understand the problems that people are having in your market. Okay, if you're in make money online like me, if you're in some type of teaching, if you're in cybersecurity, if whatever you're into, whatever your thing is and you're making money or you need to make money and you have a lot of knowledge about it or you have a business in it. I hit my computer, my bad. I was getting a little bit too excited. Write 3 to 5 of the most common questions that's a big issue in your market or niche, whatever. And you need to understand the solution to those things. Do that right now as I'm talking. Press pause and list those 3 to 5 issues and solutions. As a matter of fact, under this video in the comments right now, go ahead and list those things for me. I'm going to read through them. I reply to everything personally. I don't have an assistant or anything like that. Go ahead and drop them below and we can collab. I can give you some pointers or 2 if you're able to do that. You've written down your 3 to 5 problems along with the solution. Now you need to set the camera up just like this. You may not have a DSLR camera like me, but you may have a webcam or your phone. Go ahead, set it up, answer the questions on that bad boy, record your videos, record them ASAP. Don't worry about how you look, sound, or appear, whatever the case may be. Look somewhat presentable, but don't worry about trying to fix your makeup and all this other stuff. You're strictly providing great content because this is a common big issue that people have with whatever the problem that you are solving, and people are going to find your video. This is how I made my first $1,000 within I think the span was like 14 days once I figured out how to do it. It's called launch jacking. Some people call it creating review videos, but I've perfected this method and now I'm revealing everything to you right now so that you can hit your 10Ks in 30 days. YouTube algorithms, wizardry is going to do its thing and everybody's going to find your video. After you've created your video, you need to set a plan up to do this for 30 other videos. Yes, 30. You told me that you wanted 10 G's in 30 days with your small channel, okay? You're competing against the big channels out there and all that other stuff. That's not even really a factor, but you said you wanted 10 G's. If that's what you want to do, this is what you got to do in order to do it. Don't complain and tell me that this is too much work, all right? This works. I've done this blueprint many times over and it works very well. Okay, you put in the work, you get rewarded. So you create your 30 videos and you schedule them. Okay, this could be done in batching. You don't have to do it all at once. You can take 1 week and create 5. You can take another week and create 7, or you could just record them all on one day. Just batch them together, right? And then when it comes to uploading, you can schedule them within YouTube and you don't have to worry about every single day creating and uploading the video unless you have the time and ability to do so. But for me, I have 2 kids and a wife. I don't have the time in order to create a video every day. Like right now, my daughter and my wife are outside walking. So I was literally sitting down sweating, and I sat down in this chair and I hit the record button, and I'm speaking to you right now. Whatever the case may be, create those videos. Okay, you've created your videos. Give yourself a hand clap. That's phenomenal. By the way, you don't have to create them all at once. I know I said that already, but I just want to reiterate that. If you feel overwhelmed, slow down, create the videos at your pace. Maybe you're cool with 5K in a month and not 10K. Totally cool. But the third thing is you need to put your links down in the description. So this is a good place to pause and tell you under my video, if you check out my description, you will be able to see my links. One specifically is for my YouTube 30-day domination course, video course. It's only $7 a month. It's stupid cheap for the content that I provide, and it helps you hit your first 1,000 subscribers. And if you keep it up, you can eventually get monetized. You can monetize your YouTube channel and make money passively. Yes, it is possible. Okay, back to the script. You're going to create your links within the description. These links can be affiliate links to a high ticket product, which I recommend, because if you want 10K in 30 days, if somebody buys your product and you can make $1,000 commission on something, or maybe you have a $5,000 coaching course, you only have to sell 2 in order to make $10,000 in 30 days. Now, if you have a $7 product, $27.97, $297, right? It's going to take a lot longer. You need more transactions in order to hit your goals. So I'm going to recommend that you put a high ticket product within the description. Okay, make sure you do that for all of your videos, all 30 videos. Don't just have them go into your TikTok and Instagram and all that stuff to grow followers. We're not here to grow followers. We are here to make money. You want 10K. This is what you got to do, baby. I'm putting y'all on game. Don't tell me I never did nothing for y'all. And next to step number 3, this one is by far the most important. Step 4 is create a landing page or a call link. Okay, this is important because, again, I have to emphasize 10K per month. We're not talking about just a small transaction. We're talking about a high ticket program or high ticket affiliate offer. So people aren't necessarily going to purchase as fast. So what you got to do is you got to warm them up. Send them over to a landing page, give them some information about the product. Maybe it's a video of you talking about the product if you're doing a review on something. Or better yet, have them schedule a call with you one-on-one on your Calendly link so that you can hop on a phone, explain to them the benefits, answer their questions that they have about it, and sell them the offer. You say, go to this link. I just shot you the link via email. Go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and hit the purchase button. Okay, congratulations. There you go. Boom. Huge transaction completed. That easy. You don't need Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads. You don't need none of that stuff. You just need to create these videos, put your links down in there, and know how to close clients. And step number 5, I've already said it. In case you haven't picked it up already, you need to have a high ticket offer. You need it. This is necessary if you want to hit 10K months with YouTube in 30 days or less. 30 days or less. If you have a $10,000 coaching program, you just need to sell 1. I can guarantee you, if you create 1 to 2 to even 3 videos, it matters how hungry you are. Les Brown talks about being hungry. If you have a $10,000 course and you need 10,000 in 30 days, pump out 3 videos per day. Show me how hungry you are. All right. It's not going to be the same with the low ticket product. All right. Do the work, be consistent. Schedule the work ahead of time so that way you're not working as hard and you're not being burnt out, and you will get the results. All right. So if you like what you heard, or if you like what you're hearing, please give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I'm trying to really hit these numbers for YouTube this year. I slacked off last year, had a baby and all that stuff, made a move. It's been a lot of transition, but this year, consistency is the key. All right. So please reward me, support me by checking out my links down below. Check out my chat bot so I can interact with you one-on-one, and then also hit that subscribe button. All right. More stuff to come. By the way, I do have a 5-day challenge coming up that I want you to come to. It's going to be live. and it's on affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you everything from A to Z so that you can learn how to make your $100,000 map to success using affiliate marketing. If you're interested in that, again, it's free. The link is down below. We'll see you guys later.